Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video, I am going to show how to join Windows Insider program to get Windows 11 latest updates on unsupported hardware. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. So let's begin. Currently, I am running Windows 11 on my unsupported hardware, and here is the specification is my current hardware. If I want to join Windows Insider program with this hardware, this will display error, and you'll also get to fix this. You need a script download from description below, then run the script as administrator. And select the option you want receive the updates. In my case, I chose option number 1. And then reboot your PC. After restart, go to Windows Update and check update. It will take some time to check updates. Now you get latest updates from Windows 11. Thanks for watching.